My name is Eric Lambert. I'm a staff cloud infrastructure architect based out of Montreal, Canada. And I'm here to talk to you today about the VMware Cloud on AWS with Tanzu Services Lab. The main feature of the lab is how to enable the Tanzu Services, which is VMware's Kubernetes runtime, into VMware Cloud on AWS. It is a managed service from VMware that you can enable on the VMware Cloud on AWS as the DC to provide a Kubernetes environment to your developers. Use cases for this lab is really related around enabling Kubernetes for your users, so developers or just a requirement to run a Kubernetes container on the VMware Cloud on AWS service. Yeah, so this lab will walk through for VMware administrator to how to enable that Kubernetes services on the VMware SDDC, but also for DevOps or Kubernetes administrator to be able to understand how to work with Kubernetes on the VMware Cloud on AWS. So every year that we refresh the labs for VMware Explorer, we look at the new feature set and we talk amongst the team to see what new features we do want to showcase to be able to provide the user with an updated lab every year. Please take the lab, share it with your friends, take the survey. That's how we get better and we update the labs and make it valuable for you.